What's up, family? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make beats professionally on your phone. I know some of you have been commenting that you don't understand it, you can't make it perfectly, but I want to show you how to do it well and correctly. So pay attention, stick tight, let me show you. Let's go. First is with your phone, BandLab. Most of you don't know BandLab, most of you do. So if you don't know it, you better go and download it. Let's go. Pay attention. But a little details, it won't make your beat not sound right. You get me? It's just your phone, nothing more you need. Just your phone. So let's go to our BandLab. This is the beat. Okay, this is the beat. Let me show you how I make the beat. If you want to make beats, you know first you will start with the drums. This is the drum I use. But the drum is not always fast like this. I'm the one that fast it. See, it's go here. The drum is like this. I'm the one that fast it. At first, the drum sound like this. So now fasted it to make it more perfect. Now you can listen to it. What I'm talking about. Then start with this. I get this drum and this sound from a sample pack. I put it up here. You hear the sound, right? You hear the sound. Then I got this guitar from a guitar pack. You get me? Pay attention. All this what make a beat perfect. This is from the same pack. You get me? All this is from the same pack I got this drum from. Wonderful sample pack on BandLab. You can go and search it. Sample pack on BandLab. Come here, enter and search it. Yeah, once you have done arranging the drums, if you want to record this like this. Once you got the drum, you now put this one. You get me, right? Time by time. Do everything step by step. Take your time, patient to learn. Okay, let's. Once I'm done with the beat, you now go to the bass. The bass is very important. I know some of you will not hear the bass. But trust me, the bass is there. If you connect to the speaker, you will hear it clear and perfectly. The bass must rhyme. So don't put any bass on your drums. The bass must rhyme. That is what make it click and bounce. Afrobeats. Get me? Let me show you the second sample pack I use. This sample pack I just carry some. This is from one shallow pack. I just put it. This is from a guitar pack, and this one is to make the beat start. If you want to start, you make it like that's what make it start, and that's how I made the beat. Simple, because I have already understand to make beats, but it's very easy for me. But you that want to start making your beat for the first time, we pay attention and keep on. With time, you understand it and you know how to make it perfectly. Something like that, all you to do. The sample pack I use for the beat and the guitars. The sample pack I use for the cello. So, you get me? It's very easy if you understand what you are doing. First of all, understand what you are doing. Study the app. Take your time. Because me, I take almost 2 years. Take your time, study it, learn it. You'll be professional. Easy thing. If you learn, subscribe. Don't learn, subscribe. Peace out.